Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Flask with HTML. We'll start by understanding the basic setup. Flask, a lightweight Python framework, works seamlessly with HTML to build web applications. You'll need to create a templates directory in your project root. This folder will house all your HTML files, allowing Flask to easily locate and render them. This structure is crucial for a well-organized and maintainable project. Next, let's render some HTML. Flask's render template function is your key tool here. It tells Flask to find and display a specific HTML file from your templates folder. You can also pass Python variables directly into your HTML using keyword arguments within this function. This powerful feature allows your backend logic to influence the content displayed on the user's screen, making your web pages dynamic and interactive. Now, let's make that HTML truly dynamic with Jinja 2. Once data is passed from Flask, you can display it in your HTML using two curly braces around the variable name. Jinja 2 also supports powerful control structures, like for loops to iterate over lists of items, and if/else statements for conditional rendering. This allows you to create flexible and responsive web pages that adapt based on the data provided by your Flask application. Finally, let's explore basic form interaction. HTML forms are essential for user input. When a user submits a form, Flask can receive that data. You'll typically define a route that handles both GET requests for displaying the form and POST requests for processing the submitted data. Flask's request form object allows you to easily access the data sent from the HTML form, enabling your application to respond to user actions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.